This is Gagajoy's cooking. This is Gagajoy. Today we're going to be making spaghetti, chicken spaghetti, or either way you want to say it. But it's a wonderful dish. You can actually end up doing it in one pot, and it's quick. So if you come home from work and you want something quick, this would probably be it. I've got a little bit of parsley, 2 cups of cheese, 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of any kind of pepper you have, and 3/4 cup of onions, a cup of peas, half a cup of butter, and this is cream of celery soup, 2 of them. And now a lot of people may want to use mushroom soup. It's strictly up to you. And 2 pounds of chicken, and 1 pound of spaghetti, and 1 cup of panko. So let's get that. We'll get moving. I've got 6 quarts of water in my spaghetti pan, and this big pan here, I was afraid my other pans would run over, so I just went and got my big old pan. And this big old pan is going to get 2 pounds of chicken that's cut up. Then take this long to go. Well, the chicken is beginning to brown. I'm going to put salt on it. I'm going to put a lot of salt in the spaghetti water here. And I'm going to put some salt on the chicken hearts. We got it covered. Okay. Now, I'm going to put the onions and the peppers. This is a sad weekend for me. My peppers and onions and everything are gone. Now, soon going to have to buy them again. And it just sort of means that summer's over when they start to go. I've still got a few herbs left, but they're going quickly. It'd take about 3 minutes for this just to get, we just want to get translucent. And I'm getting ready to put the spaghetti in. This is the type of spaghetti I use. Everybody uses a different kind. A lot of people use linguine, but I still like thin spaghetti. I don't like angel hair, but I still like thin spaghetti. Okay. I'm adding my cream of celery soup because the onions and peppers are tender now. And my milk. Now I need a little bit extra liquid, so I'll use pasta water here. Yeah, that's good for right now. I'm going to add a cup of frozen peas to just make it look pretty. And of course a little bit of parsley. You've got to do that. And cheese in a minute. Now I'm going to put my spaghetti in before I do this, my cheese in, before I do my spaghetti. And I'm gonna have to have some more liquid here. Just, all you have to do is just take your water out of your spaghetti, and it makes it perfect. Mix. While I'm doing that, I need to get my panko ready. Put 2 tablespoons in a little pan.
Two tablespoons of butter.
Yeah. I'm going to put a cup of panko in my butter. No, I think I'm going to put a 3/4 cup. I don't think I need all that. And the only thing, you really could put it on there if you didn't even put it in butter. It just is going to be buttery panko this time. Okay, I'm going to put my panko just over the top of the spaghetti. Just a little bit of crunch. Yes, you could do it without it if you wanted to, but it does make it good this way. Well, our spaghetti salad, chicken salad, it's not a salad, chicken spaghetti is done. Well, just for the heck of it, I'm going to try it. I love spaghetti about anyway. You see those big chunks of chicken in there. And the peas. Oh yeah, the chicken's so tender. The spaghetti's just cooked perfect. It's a little al dente, but I knew when it was set there, it would soak up the creamy sauce. Excuse me for talking my mouth full, I do it all the time. Well, we're ready to eat. And one more little thing, be sure and like and subscribe and share and ring that bell for me. We've had a good day. We'll see you soon, and remember the joy. See you soon.